I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug and I.
Hello everyone, this is going to be an island twist tutorial. Sorry about the light. The lighting is kind of weird in here, but first I'm going to be showing you everything I'll be using. Of course, hair ties, clips, the two gels I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Pure Neat Braid, and I'm going to be using Lock-In as well. So, combs, clips, of course. I'm going to be using Freacher's hair. I wish they had longer at the beauty supply store I had, but I'm just going to be adding as I go. And then for my bohemian, I'm going to be using this Quay or Q or Milky Way bulk type of blend. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Of course, have your hair blow dried, washed and blow dried, not dirty and blow dried. And yeah, let's get this tutorial started. Steps I'm going to be giving y'all is definitely my pre-parting method. In order for me to be more comfortable with my parts, I definitely do, okay, so I do ear to ear this way, and of course I'm going to show you guys. I do ear to ear this way, I do ear to ear this way, and of course like a middle part. So far I have ear to ear this way, ear to ear this way, and then a middle part, but like not too defined middle part just yet because I'm not back there. So what I'm about to do first is I'm about to split my back section into two. After I do the back section, I decided to split my front section already so then they were symmetrical. They're coming out, they're coming out. I'm gonna curl the ends later, so that's why they look a little straight, but we watching Open Thoughts, the Rich the Kid interview. Okay, so we've finally made it to the tutorial. Of course, first, part out your little section, add some gel to it, make sure it's a little slick, you know, especially in the root. And yeah, comb it through, make your mold. Next, of course, you're going to start it off as if it was a regular braid or knotless braid. You're going to take 3 sections and of course braid twice first and then add a piece of your braiding hair. Braid twice again, add another piece, and you're going to do the same step once more time for the braiding part. Then you're going to continue to braid down until you feel like the braid is secure. And once you get there, in just a few seconds, I'm going to show you that you're going to take the middle piece, split it down the middle, try to split the braiding hair and your hair down the middle just for a more secure twist. And then just start twisting. Make sure you twist in a good direction that is comfortable for you. And then once you get like a little bit down, you're going to add in another braiding piece to the twist just to make it a little bit more thicker. If you have longer braiding hair, you might not have to continue to keep adding little pieces, but for me, the hair wasn't long enough, so I had to continue to put more hair in order to get the desired length that I would like and enough length to have my ends curled.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, reminiscing. Maybe I'm a miss.